How to share LastPass with family. So first is you will simply need to log into your LastPass account, and to upgrade to a family account, you just simply need to click on the advanced options right here on the left sidebar. And here at the top under the upgrade option, you will see the LastPass families. So you just simply need to click on that. So as you can see, there's a 30-day free trial which you can use. So if you want, you just simply need to click on it right here. And after that, your LastPass will automatically upgrade and you are now using the free trial. And to add your family members or to share your LastPass with your family, you will see this families option once you have upgraded your account on the left sidebar. So you just simply need to click on that. And here on the top right, just simply click on add member. Then you will just simply need to put a name and their email address. You could also make them a manager by checking on the checkbox right there. So a manager can invite and remove members. And also there are only 5 invitations available for you to use. But once that's done, you just simply need to click on add member and they should be right here, or they should be added right here on the list. And that is how you basically share your LastPass with your family.